How to remove camera from the lock screen of your iPhone. Right now, if you see, there is a camera icon on the lock screen of my iPhone. And if I tap on this camera icon or press on it 2 to 3 times, anyone can access the camera feature. To stop this from happening, this is how to remove camera from the lock screen of your iPhone. Firstly, go into the Settings app of your mobile device and scroll all the way down until you see Screen Time. From here, scroll down and click on the Content and Privacy Restrictions as shown on the screen. We will now click on the Allowed apps, which is on the second, and now enter the passcode for the screen time. Now all you want to do here is find the camera section and disable it. When you disable this camera option, it will be disabled from the lock screen as well as the home screen of your iPhone. You have successfully removed the camera feature from the lock screen of your iPhone. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.